go. Okay. 2010.
We just put the lights on the tree, and Clara is going to cap it off with the placement of the star.
Drum roll.
But first, she's going to fall off the ledge. What do you need? And you've never looked better, Claire.
All right.
See where it's bent, and you need to put it over both.
You guys.
This is kind of like the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Perfect! Okay, we'll work on this and get back to you.
Okay,
Christmas
we're
camera.
cut. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.